Understanding the pulley mechanism, a simple guide. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating aspect of physics and everyday mechanics, the pulley mechanism. This topic is not just for scientists or engineers, it's something that can be understood and appreciated by everyone. So, let's dive in and unravel the simplicity and brilliance of pulleys. A pulley is a simple machine that is used to lift heavy objects more easily. It consists of a wheel on an axle or shaft that is designed to support movement and change of direction of a tension cable or belt. The key components of a pulley are the wheel, axle, and the rope or cable. Pulleys are commonly used in various settings, from construction sites to everyday household items. There are mainly three types of pulleys. 1. Fixed pulley. This type of pulley is attached to a structure and doesn't move. It changes the direction of the force, making it easier to lift things vertically. 2. Movable pulley. This pulley moves with the load. It reduces the amount of force needed to lift an object but doesn't change the direction of the force. 3. Compound pulley. This is a combination of fixed and movable pulleys. It provides a mechanical advantage, making it easier to lift heavy objects with less force. Pulleys work on the principle of mechanical advantage. This means they allow you to use less force to move an object than the object's weight. When you pull down on one side of the rope in a pulley system, the pulley wheel rotates, and the load on the other side is lifted. By spreading the force over a longer distance, you reduce the effort needed to lift the weight. Pulleys are everywhere in our daily life. Some common examples include elevators, using pulleys to lift the cabin, construction cranes, employing compound pulleys to lift heavy materials, theater systems, to move curtains and scenery, well mechanisms, to draw water with ease. Pulleys are a brilliant example of how simple machines can make our lives easier. Whether in construction, theaters, or even simple devices at home, they play a crucial role in lifting and moving objects efficiently. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of the pulley mechanism. Thank you for watching, and stay curious.